so this is going to be me changing this tire, which is a 195/60 R15 using the mini mobile tire changer. So first thing you got to do is lift the tire changer out. It's going to be a little heavy on this side where this thing sits, so you kind of want to grab it from either here or here or here to lift it on out. All right, there. So I just lifted it from the car, put it on the ground, and that's it. All right, so those parts you see on the floor, that are the 4 additional parts that it comes with that you need to operate it. And really, it's very simple to put it together. This piece goes right in here, and then that wing nut gets tightened around it. Snug is good. The next piece that goes on is this guy right here. This is the turning table. That slides right on top like that. The next part is your arm. That goes right on top of this thing, like so. Ideally, you want to place this on the rim of your tire. So now we're going to mount that tire on there, or actually we're going to bust the bead and then mount the tire on there and take the tire off the rim. All right, and if you're wondering like what type of compressor you need to run this is a 3 CFM compressor. It's the bigger one from Harbor Freight. It's about 150 bucks. It's called the Maddox or Maddox, whatever. But that right there, I bought a hose for it. And on this pedal, I took the bottom one off and put in a new plug there. I left these 2 originals the way they were, but if these give me trouble, I'm gonna end up replacing them too. All right, now we're gonna use the bead breaker to bust the bead on this tire, and I'll show you guys how quick this can work if you're doing this roadside. So my car's off. If it were on, it would be doing a lot more air a lot faster. But I wanted to show you guys what it does just on 12-volt power, right? 12-volt power, Maddox compressor from Harbor Freight, 150 bucks. KT 2002. There's a different version of this tool. That means the compressor is already at 150 PSI, so that means this is power ready to go. And that's how long it takes to set it up. And you press that pedal right there, and this little arm should come right in. And there it goes. That's one side busted. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side just for fun. Even though we don't have to use it, we're using it for fun. There we go. Now we're gonna flip it and do the other side. Again, this is just with that Maddox compressor from Harbor Freight. So the machine itself, 450, the compressor, 150. You're in it for like 600 bucks. You can have this mobile tire changing unit. So not as fast as a normal tire changer, but if you're expecting this to be as fast as a normal tire changer, you're kind of nuts. This is a smaller, much more portable version. So now both sides are popped. So now we're going to put it on to this thing, make one of those holes get into this guy right here, put this on top of it, make the adjustment, and then take the tire off the bead. Show you guys how to do that. I will be making another video showing you guys the removal and installation of a new tire on a rim. Could not do it on this video. Turns out the hose that I had on this setup gets hot from that compressor and poked a hole in it. Video incoming.